Me and my buddy joined all of our breweries together and have what we now call Socius Beer Collective.
HVAC is one of those things that when it works, it works. And I think that's what I've come to expect from Rheem products, is it's something that I can take off my plate and not have to worry about.
Fantastic progress so far. This is going to be a great project. There's going to be a lot of challenges on this project as a whole, not only from it being just a brewery, which is already a little complicated in itself. There's always going to be a constant large load from the industrial equipment, but there's also going to be a need for almost a comfort cooling side of it as well.
Rheem's been great. You know, they've been working directly with our engineers and our architects, and they've been exchanging plans. And so, I mean, that's great on our engineers. It just makes everyone's job easier. Being in contact with Rheem, you know, we know that we're going to get it done. We reach out, there's communication. So, I mean, it's been a great partnership so far.
Very glad to be here and finally see the units be delivered and see them get on site. Something that we pride ourselves on, especially not only at Rheem, but Rheem Commercial itself. Our partnerships with distribution, our partnerships with our mechanical contractors, that we can continue to support the project and the product past the initial installation date. It makes me very excited to be a part of the Rheem Commercial team.
Apex, we are the Rheem distributor in Georgia. We have a great relationship with the commercial side of Rheem. We're aligned from the sales guys on the ground all the way up to the upper management.
There's a need for high performance products, high performance relationships, and that's what we at Rheem Commercial Air strive to deliver to our customers, from project narrative to them finally opening and cutting the red tape at the end of the day.